Congratulations on collecting the keys for your dream abode. In case you are planning the fit out of your dream abode, here are some do's and don'ts. If the owner wishes to change the interior, he or his representatives should approach the property manager appointed for your building. Submit the original fit-out letter, fit-out request form requisite approvals, permissions and NOC from the municipal corporation if required. Submit details such as contractor's contact details with their ID card, basis which temporary ID card will be issued. Labourer will not be allowed in the premises without the ID card. Interior designer has to submit all design to the property manager for approval. Here are some details that an owner and contractor need to follow while carrying out the work. Material movement. Prior written intimation to be given to the property manager before bringing the material in the premises. The material to be moved in and out at the suggested time only. All equipment and materials should be placed inside residence premises only. Common area should not be used for storage. All material loading, unloading, handling and transportation must be supervised at all times by residents or an authorized person only. And it is their responsibility to clean the area post-shifting of materials. Labour movement during interior work. Interior work to be carried out in specified areas, and labourers should not be loitering in and around the premises. They will use the service lift only and not enter any other lift or wait in the entrance lobby area. Access of labourers to any other area except the apartment premises is prohibited. All the contractors and labourers are expected to leave the premises by specific time communicated by the property manager. Smoking, cooking, spitting, chewing of betel leaves or consumption of alcohol or drugs is strictly prohibited in the property premises. Bathing or washing of clothes in common area is not permitted. Labourers are not permitted to walk around the property in half pants and vests. Child labour is not permitted. Debris process. All debris should be collected in disposable bags and kept within the apartments. Keeping debris in the premises will lead to penalty. Residents have to make arrangements to carry out the debris. Lift use. The labourers are permitted to use service lift only. Lift lobby and doors should be kept clean and unhindered. In case of movement of any heavy material, the property manager needs to be informed 1 day prior. Toilet use. Waterproofing of the toilets and external wall finishing should not be tampered with. No work is allowed in the external shafts and main pipelines. While working on the toilet shaft, ensure that no materials falls into the shafts and causing damage to below apartment or installed equipment. The plumbing in the toilets should be treated with utmost caution as it can cause blockages and can damage the toilet ceiling and walls on the lower floor, inconveniencing other residents. Please ensure that the taps in your toilets and the main tap are closed. At the end of the day, any leakage will not only damage your furniture, but will also exhibit seepage marks on the apartments below. You will have to rectify the same at your own cost. No plumbing shaft, electrical shafts and service shaft walls to be removed, refitted, rearranged, and no change in the internal toilet layout is permitted. Inspection of your apartment can be carried out by the property management staff at any time without prior notice. Post completion of the work, apartment owner has to give a written intimation to the property manager about the completion of his work. Thereafter, such completed apartment shall be inspected by the property manager to ascertain no damage is caused to common area or any other apartments occupied or unoccupied.